This is part of our automatic production line. Now you can see how to make the clay body. The robot cuts the mud and puts it in the plaster mold. The rotating stainless steel part is pressed to the exact shape according to the design. Only one worker can maintain the operation of 4 production lines. This is the process of washing the clay body. The high-density sponge will clarify the burrs when the clay body is taken out of the mold, and the clay body will be smoothed with the help of water flow. Professional for ceramics. Contact us now.